sky is like really pretty today.
Hey, are you vlogging?
Hey guys, this is my third vlog. Today I haven't really done much. I don't think I'll do much today. I just had school exams and stuff like that. Yeah, and it's pretty pretty today. The clouds. It's pretty pretty. Pretty pretty. Open soon. Because I'm getting bored because it's about to be summer. So tell me, comment below like what y'all want me to do, because I haven't really done anything these past few days. But let me know in the comment section. Remember to like and subscribe, and I hope y'all enjoy this video right here. Peace. Guys, so I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. I'm gonna make these two vlogs combined, which will make it vlog 3. Sorry. And I hope y'all enjoyed today. And peace. Oh, I forgot one thing. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And now, peace. Guys, yeah, this is tomorrow, because I said I was gonna be back tomorrow. But I'm with these two people. One just left. I'm with Bray right here. We're about to go to the city. I'm not gonna name the location because I don't wanna give away where I live. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoy.
I got a request. Please go subscribe to B&B Productions.
Wait, what was that?
Please and thank you. Please subscribe to B&B Productions.
Yeah. So we're at the city here. It's a big buildings. We're at this barbershop. Guys, this is pretty cool.
Would you cut that? Like,
So I'm still recording. Listen, I'm sorry. Are you okay? Are you salty right now?
no, I'm saying, would you cut
Are you salty?
that between?
Okay, so Blaine, how's your day been? That's good. Okay.
I gotta ask you.
I'll let you ask me in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Is that drip is temporary, sauce lasts forever. I had it mixed up for a second. My bad, y'all. My bad.
Life lessons with Barry Simons.
Don't put it in there.
Put what in there? Hey, Bray, say where we're at. Well, don't give the location, but we're at a waterfall right now.
Yeah.
We have to talk loud because it's very loud.
If you look out there, you see two people laying down on the rock.
I don't think you can see it, but
And then you see that person walking right there.
there's a person walking right there. We're about to go down there.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, we're gonna go.
Let's go.
Dude, back here there's like a little spot. It's kind of creepy. I know, it's like terrifying. There's a person right there.
You see him sitting on the freaking bus?
We're running.
They're coming for us.
They're coming for us. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. See you guys later. We're at the waterfall right now. We're like literally like an inch away. It's kind of scary. I don't want to go out there because it's like very yeah. I'm scared I'll fall. We're gonna go closer to it. We're at the waterfall right now. Kind of scary because it's hard to get down here. Yeah, and it's at nighttime. We're gonna come back now. Slow boy. Chocolates. Raisins.
No, Raz left.
Carlos and Chewy. I believe Chewy. This is the end of the vlog.